When I was younger, I exercised for sports-related reasons and also for vanity reasons. I wanted six-pack abs and a muscular body for appearance reasons. And I still work out for that reason. I want to feel good about the way I look. I'm almost 42 now, and I remain lean, strong, agile. So while appearance is important, as I've gotten older, function, the ability to move my body well, remain nimble, flexible, has taken on greater meaning. But more than that, I love exercising because of how it makes me feel, not only about myself, but how it lifts my mood, my sense of well-being, my attitude. It makes me more positive. And then I can be a better person around other people. So after exercising, I feel much better, and then I can be a better person for those around me. So in this video, while I was going for a set number of running crisscrosses using a 3-pound heavy rope, there was no better reason to end the set than when I saw my wife approach me. Jump rope love.